Uh-oh, here's one, guys. Got him. Got him on, guys. Got him on. No, 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 he's on the limb. Woo! Oh! 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 Oh my goodness, John, I got a dragon on, dude. I got a dragon. I got a dragon. Woo! Oh my goodness. No way, guys. I'm fighting him for everything I'm worth, guys. Oh my goodness. No. Come here, you. Come here, you. Oh, oh, oh. No, 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 you don't. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, oh. Come here. Open that mouth. Ah. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. Oh, monster, guys, I'm shaking. Oh, I knew it. Patience was going to pay off, guys. I think this is the same one I've been hunting all morning, watching them blow up. I told you earlier on this live stream, it seemed like they were always blowing up about 20 foot out of my casting range. Well, I copped them that time, guys. Oh, my goodness. Oh, look at that whopper. Oh, ah.